Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
3 PCS Rolling Grilling Baskets. Set of 3 stainless steel rolling grilling baskets, perfect for grilling fish, shrimp, meat, vegetables, and fries. Durable, portable, and easy to use, these grill mesh baskets ensure even cooking and are ideal for outdoor barbecues. Provides versatile and secure design. The grill basket's perfect size and strong, dense grill grate prevents small barbecue food pieces from falling through the gaps, making it ideal for grilling vegetables and various meats with confidence. Food-safe material. Made from 304 stainless steel. The barbecue basket is food-grade, ensuring no harmful substances leach into your food during grilling, making it safe for cooking. Convenient cleaning options. The 3-pack grill basket, SML, offers multiple cleaning methods, whether through dishwasher or hand washing, providing flexibility and ease for post-barbecue cleanup. Durable and reliable. Featuring a thicker, denser, and stronger grill grate. The grilling basket prevents small pieces of barbecue foods from falling through the grid gap and ensures even heat distribution, making it a durable and reliable tool for long-term use. Relaxing grilling experience. The sizzling sound of food on the grill creates a relaxing and enjoyable ambience, making grilling with music playing a delightful way to spend a good day with friends and family. Deluxe Gift Pack. This grill basket for veggies set isn't just a top-notch cooking tool, it's also a deluxe gift pack perfect for barbecue lovers. With 2 extra-large baskets, it's the ultimate present for birthdays, Christmas, or just because. Imagine the joy on their faces as they grill shrimp, veggies, or chicken to perfection at the next pool party or any gathering with family and friends. Was today review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And product link in the description box.